Hello, my beautiful people out there. How are you all doing today? You all are welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to grow your hair very fast with onions. This is onions. I'm going to be cutting it. I've washed it. I'm not going to remove the skin. Okay, so the skin is beneficial to our hair. If you have damaged hair, if you have the hair that is not growing, so stubborn to grow, just go into these two ways. I'm going to teach you how to use onions to grow your hair. Okay, onions is very good. Onions has a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamins, a lot of things that is very beneficial to our hair. Ginger too. I'm going to be adding ginger. Do you know that ginger is very good for our hair? Ginger can kill dandruff. Ginger can make your hair to grow. Ginger can make your hair to, it has some vitamins inside. Ginger can give your hair some volume. It's very good. So this is groundnut seed and black seed. So I'm going to be showing you I've turned it inside the carton. I'm going to be showing you. So now I'm going to be putting bay leaf, the one you use to boil your meat at home. That is what I'm putting. So the black seed that I put before and the groundnut seed, I'm going to be putting the groundnut seed. Black seed, you know black seed already. So this is olive oil. This is olive oil. So I'm going to be putting the olive oil inside of it. It's just new one. I'm opening it right now. Okay, so you just pour it inside. If you know you don't want to pour it this way, just take something and measure it. Example, like this cup, you just pour it inside and use it to measure it. So now you see I'm just stirring it together. After stirring it together, you have to put it in a low rate. You have to low it, okay, so that it will not get burned. Every ingredients have to go in, have to soak in. So I'm going to cover it with this cover. Okay, so I put it in number 6, so you can decide to bring it down more. Okay, so I'm putting it in number 6. So guys, it's so good to grow your hair. It's very beneficial for your hair. It will stimulate your hair. It will make your hair to have volume, strong and healthy health. It will give you what you want. Okay, now this is my cloth that I use to sip. This is the oil. I'm going to be sipping it right now. So this is it. That is just it, guys. So simple as ABCD. It's so good for your hair. Okay, don't use something one day and say I'm not going to be using it, it's not good for me, it's not good for me. No, continue. You will see that it's very beneficial to your hair. So this is glass. I'm going to be turning it inside this glass. You see the color is beautiful. That is how it's very good for your hair. It will make your hair grow. So this is coconut oil. I'm going to be adding some teaspoon into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 coconut oil. So this is mint essential oil. Mint essential oil. If you don't have this, don't worry. Okay, I just drop like 6 drops on it. So if you don't have it, don't worry, because mint essential oil is very good to grow your hair, kill dandruff, and give you some volume on your hair. So this is one way that you can use oil to do your hair. So the next way is this. You know, I told you I'm not removing the skin. You put it in your blender. This is the blender I'm using. I like to use this one because it's very simple to use and it will not smooth the smooth. No, this one is very faster for me to use. So this is blender. I'm cutting the onions inside now. So this is another way that you can use onions to condition your hair. A lot of way you can use onions. You can decide not to do this. You can just, if you have a juicer, I have a juicer, but I just want to teach you a simple way. Just little drop of water, you just start blending it. So simple, guys. So simple. You can blend onions. You can blend onions with a lot of things. You can blend onions with you can blend onions with butter as a moisturizer. It's so good to moisturize your hair. Onions is very good. It's going to stimulate your hair. It's going to make your hair grow. So you see, this way I finished blending it. So simple. I add a little bit of oil to it. A little bit of oil to it. I will blend again so that it will mix together. So guys, all these things are so simple and they are in your kitchen. The one that is not in your kitchen is so cheap. Okay, you see my juicer here, but I prefer to do it this way so that you learn another simple way. If you don't have juicer, you don't need to worry about it. It doesn't really matter. So if you have a sip, just pour it inside and just sip everything out this way. Just this way. So that is it. That is just it. So simple as ABCD. It's going to grow your hair. It's going to give your hair some volume. If you have this kind of plastic rubber that have pump, you just pour it inside. So after pouring it inside, you use it to stimulate your hair. You spray it on your hair. That is just it, guys. So simple as ABCD. Maybe like this baby doll, you just start pouring it like this on your hair. And because my hair, I just weave it, that's why I'm not showing it, but I will still show it so that you know that it's good for hair, so that you don't feel I teach you what you don't need to use on your hair. You see my hair, because I weaved it all back. Okay, so even though you weave it all back, you can still spray it on your hair. So as I'm just spraying it this way, you spray it, even if you enter inside more, even more. So I'm just going to spray it all over my hair this way. I'm just spraying it. So I'm doing this morning, just coming from gym, guys. So I'm just coming from gym. I said before I have my bath, I have to do this. Okay, so guys, that is it. You take your cap and cover. This is my plastic shower cap. So I use it to cover for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So because I'm coming from gym, I need to bath. So this is the oil. I love this oil a lot. It's so good, so good, so good. I love it. So I'm going to go and be washing it right now. Okay, I'm going to go and be washing it right now because it's almost 30 minutes. Okay, so I was doing some certain things, so now I'm going to wash it. So I finished washing it. I'm through washing it. Okay, I wash it. I just had my bath too. So this is it, guys. So you can do it this way. The oil, I'm going to be using the oil to rub it one by one, line by line. So it's going to go deep in there. Okay, it touched my face, but it doesn't really matter. It's not going to hurt my face. It's very good for your face too, but I don't use it on my face though. It's not for face, it's for hair. Okay, so I'm just going to use it to rub all my hair this way. That is just it. That is just it, guys. Rub everywhere. Don't leave anywhere alone. Just rub everywhere. Okay, so your hair will be growing beautiful, nice, dark and lovely. Yes, the oil smell good. Okay, it's not bad for your face. It drop on my face is not bad, but it smell good. If you don't like the smell, I don't know. So this pump, this one is I use it for something, so you can turn it inside and just be putting like that, or if you have any spray, you can use it. So guys, that is it. That is the simple oil. And if you don't know that all the DIY I've showed before, go down below and check all good things will be coming in this channel. Subscribe. I love you all. Bye.